my name is Amrinder Singh. I am an iOS developer. We started our very first video tutorial series about SwiftUI. I hope you enjoyed the first two videos about SwiftUI where we learned about introduction of SwiftUI and we learned about how to uh, lay out a UI. Okay. So in this video tutorial we will learn about a list view, navigation from one screen to second screen, and how to pass data from one screen to second screen. So let's start. Okay, so first we have one hello world application. We have one array of type string and have name of colors. Okay, so now we will add here a list to display a list. Okay, so first we will add here list. Okay, and then we will add our data as we have one array. Okay, and now we have to add here id. So this is our self. Okay, now we will get here color name. Okay, so print text and display a color name. Okay, so as you can see in the preview, we have a list of colors. It's simple, right? Okay, and now if we want to add one refresh to this list, so how we will do this? In SwiftUI it's very simple. We just have to add refreshable and then okay. Now if we see here, we have a refreshable activity indicator, right? Okay, so we added one list refreshable. Okay, now suppose we have another SwiftUI view. We call this second view. Okay, so this is our second view. This is again a hello world. We change the text to call second view. Okay, so now this is our second view class. Okay, so if we have to navigate from first screen to second screen, then first we have to add first we have to create one navigation stack. So we add here navigation stack. It is basically a stack of all screens, right? So if we want to see a list of screens in one stack, we are able to do, right? Okay, so now we add one. So we added a navigation stack. We have to command to where we want to navigate it. Okay, so as you can see, we have one list here. So inside a list we displayed one text with the color names. Okay, so first of all we add here dot navigation title color names. Okay, cool. Okay, so we added here color names. If we want to change uh, navigation display mode. Okay, then inline. Okay, yeah, you can see now the color names. uh, Navigation title is coming in inline. Okay, so now we don't need this right now, we need a large. Okay, so it's in large mode. Okay, now if we want to navigate, if we have to navigate to the second screen, what we will do, we will add one navigation link. Okay, so here this is for our destination. First parameter we have to pass for destination link, and second as a label. So in label we add our text, and in navigation link we add our second view. Okay, so let's see this. Now as you can see, the right arrow is come, and now we are able to navigate to the second screen. It's simple, right? Okay, so this is for the navigation. And if we want to pass some data to the second screen, then how we will do this? We will just create here description description variable as a string, and we will pass text as a description, pass empty or a second view to preview. Okay, so missing a description, so we added a parameter name. Okay, now let's go into our first view and add here description. So in description we already have this color name, so we what we want, we in what, so what we want like if we tap on red, the red comes on second screen. So we passed here the same. Okay, let's wait for preview. Okay, now if you can see, the list is coming or displaying. Now if we tap on red, oh okay, cool, so the red is on next screen. If we tap on the green is on next screen. Okay, cool. So in this tutorial we learn about navigation, how to navigate from one screen to second screen. We learned about navigation stack, we learned about list, refreshable. Okay, 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 so if you like this video, please do subscribe and tap on like button. Thanks for watching.